How to use ChatGPT without phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through the fact on how you can use ChatGPT without your phone number. So to allow yourself to do this, all you're going to do is you're going to come to ChatGPT over here. Once you come to ChatGPT, and if you want to create a new account now, as you can see, I'm already signed in. So I'm going to go into an incognito tab over here. I'm going to go ahead, write ChatGPT. And once you come to the signing in of ChatGPT, basically it asks you for authorization and login. So if you go ahead and sign up, you're going to go with any email and stuff, and it's going to ask you for a phone number. Now, if you don't have a SIM phone number, what you can do is you can go ahead and write temporary phone numbers. This is all you're going to need to use. And in temporary phone numbers, basically what they're going to give you, just go to Quacker.io because it's the best place for temporary phone numbers. You're going to choose the country you want a phone number for. So make sure to go with the least common one. Let's go with Ireland. Okay, and in Ireland, you have these phone numbers. You're just going to copy them, select them, and then you're going to paste them into the phone number that they're asking. And from there on out, it should send you the SMS over here. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And you can see on this Ireland message, you can start seeing the phone number and SMS messages over here. So pretty easy, pretty simple, and pretty basic stuff to get ahead of you. So yeah. That's basically about it. That is how you can sign up with ChatGPT without a phone number. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.